Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the sound effect to your clip in CapCut PC. So I think this is tutorial for you guys who are using CapCut PC for the first time. So for instance, I'm going to make the lightning effect. So select your video or photos you like to edit and go to effect, select nature and select lightning. Adjust for the duration in assembling with the video and go to audio to add the sound effect. Select sound effect and you can search for the sound effect according to your need, and I'm going to type thunder, select this one. Just for the duration is sorry, you can alright, yeah, I'm just going to add this sound effect and copy paste. And you can see for the final result like this. Here we go. Alright, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And if you have any question, please type in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks button.